Zun na kan zir le tur chu destructor ania, destructor chu destroy, delete tina nia. What is destructor? Destructor is a member function which destruct or delete an object. Kan structure ina kan object siam kha kan object siam ho kha delete don ani he destructor hian. A destructor is called automatically when the object goes out of scope. The function ends. The program ends. A block containing local variables ends. A destructor operation is called. Delete operation is called. Destructor le constructor dang lam na chu destructor function ma chuan hetiang sign hi tilde sign hi omanga ma se constructor sign ming ma chuan om ve dan lo ni chuanin destructor chuanin argument a nei ve lawanga chuan constructor ang bokin return type a nei lawang. Vi code 21.cpp 21 kan ti to l 22.cpp include string using name space std then class kan define lenga class name a student lo mang lai tela student chuan ta kan close a chuan public chunga constructor le destructor hi om tur nia public kan tinga ta hian int lo di taila x chuan ta hian constructor kan declare ang minga student antinan argument pakhat lo pass taila in hai chu normal parameterized constructor kan ni mea x equal to a lo di taila value kan pass kha x a dalu taila chuan tuna destructor chu a ming hi class name ne nan ang tur nia chuan argument om lo tur ania chuan ta hian destructor a chuan a function ma tilde tiang sign hi om tur ni hemi hmang hian hemi sign om chuanin compiler khanin hi destructor ni ti a hra thei dawn ani chuan ta hian kan print out anga cout antinan delete obj telo di taila chuan tuna main int main chuan object kan siam hi destructor hianin a delete dawnin akina destructor kan nei hian student obj lo di taila parameter hi 20 lo pass taila antinan chuanin tian program chu zawa constructor ang thawin destructor hi automatic in running close anga chu function na en huna amo program a en huna amo containing local variable a en huna amo delete operation hi call ani in amo ta hi chuanin hemi program a en huna hian hemi close bracket kan a thlen compiler in a check thlen huna hianin hemi function hi ron call don ni destructor chuanin hemi kan object ina asiam hi kan hemi object hianin program a kan computer a memory a hian space asiama chumi a space siam chu a space siam chu aron delete don ni hemi destructor hian khate mi khania destructor chuanin constructor ina a object siam kha a delete member function class member function ani a which destroy or delete an object inia object constructor ina siam kha delete don ni chuan aron call hun chu function na to puna mo program a to puna mo chu close bracket ong zel huna han chuan local variable a to puna mo delete operation one call in mo chuan destructor le constructor in ang lo na chu pakhat na chuanin tiang sign te hi tilde tinia chumi sign chu destructor ma chuan oma chuan argument destructor chuan a nei velo ma se return type chu nei lo ve thung